we see arc AI is intercepted by central angle ACI. But as you can see, angle ACI here is a central angle. Then it is intercepted by arc AI, which is the arc is categorized. Arc AI is categorized as minor arc, diba? And we have arc FDH. So arc FDH F, then we have D and H. So therefore we will connect these points to form an arc in clockwise direction. So clockwise pa ganyan hanggang makaabot ng H. So 'di ba yan ay isang anong klaseng arc? So ito ay isang major arc and it is intercepted by central angle F, C, and H. Then take note, it says that if what is the value of the central angle is also the value of the intercepted arc of that central angle. So therefore they are just congruent. I hope you understood that. Next, let's proceed with arc addition postulate. So it says that the measure of an arc formed by two adjacent non-overlapping arcs or arcs that share exactly one point is equal to the sum of the measures of these two arcs. Okay, for example, if we use circle D here, so as we can see, we're going to find the arc AC. And as we all know, based on the figure, arc AC uh, can be determined by adding these two small arcs here, which is arc AB and arc BC. So if we're going to add that, then we can find the measure arc AC based on the arc addition postulate. So we have measure arc AB plus measure arc BC. So we have measure arc AC is equal to, di ba, measure arc AB is 60 degrees plus measure arc BC is 90 degrees. So therefore, we have the value of arc AC is equal to 150 degrees. Okay, so that's it. As easy as that. We'll just add the given arcs in the figure. Again, following the arc addition postulate. Okay, here we're going to determine the measures of the given arcs and angles, and we're going to refer to the figure at the right. Now, first, let us find the measure angle 2 or measure angle C, LCM. So measure angle 2 is here. Or if we use measure angle LCM, so that is L, C, which is the vertex here, and the vertex is the center of the circle, then M. Then if we try to determine that kind of angle, so that angle is central angle. And as we can see, there is already a value here, which is 45 degrees. So therefore, the measure of angle 2 or or measure angle LCM is equal to 45 degrees because it is already given. Next is we're going to find the measure arc LM. Now, as I said earlier, that the value of the intercepted arc is just the same with the angle of the central angle that specific arc intercepted. So therefore, since arc LM, as we can see, it is here. Here is the arc LM, diba? Arc LM. Then arc LM is intercepted by angle LCM. Then angle LCM is a central angle. So since the central angle is 45 degrees, therefore the arc LM is also 45 degrees. So therefore, the measure of arc LM is 45 degrees. Diba? I've already mentioned to you the relationship between central angle and the intercepted arc. Okay, next, measure of arc XQ. So XQ here. So we have arc XQ. It is unknown. So how do we find the arc XQ here? Then it is just simple that the value of measure arc XQ is just 30 degrees. Why? Because angle XCQ, 'di ba? XCQ and angle RCNO are vertical angles, and we can see that 30 degrees here is already given the value of the measure arc OR. So since they are vertical angles, so their arc also are congruent. So since arc OR is 30 degrees, therefore the measure of arc XQ is also 30 degrees, given that they are vertical angles. The angle that is XQ is intercepted by angle XCQ, and angle XCQ is congruent or is a vertical angle of angle RCO, and angle RCO is the one that intercepts the arc OR. So that is why they are just the same. Next, number 4, measure of arc LN. So LN, so it is a minor arc. So LN. So what is the value of arc LN? So as we can see, so arc LN is intercepted by angle LCN. Diba? Is intercepted by angle LCN. Then, as we all know, angle LCN will form 90 degrees. Diba? Given with the the picture, the given figure, but it will form 90 degrees. So therefore, since angle LCN is a central angle, so that is also the value of the intercepted arc, which is measure arc LN. So therefore, measure arc LN is 90 degrees. Okay, so there you have it. Okay, now let us discuss about inscribed angle. So an inscribed angle whose vertex lies on the circle and the sides contain chords of the circle. So using circle A, angle Y intercepts arc XZ. Then angle X intercepts arc YZ and angle Z intercepts arc XY. Diba? Then there are three different ways or cases in which an angle can be inscribed in a circle. So in the first image, so we have the center of the circle is on one side of the inscribed angle. Meaning to say, uh, the center of the circle is, as stated, is on one side of an inscribed angle. Meaning to say, the side of an inscribed angle passes through the center of the circle. Next, the center of the circle is in the interior of the inscribed angle. So yung sentro ng circle ay nandoon sa loob ng inscribed angle. While the center of the in the third figure, so the center of the circle is on the exterior of the inscribed angle. So meaning to say, nasa labas ang center of the circle sa isang inscribed angle. Let's proceed with arcs and angles. So let us study this example. So given the uh, circle C, this is circle C, and from the circle C, so arc HD is intercepted by angle HFD, di ba? So arc HD, this is arc HD, ito, so it is intercepted by angle HFD. So again, angle HFD is an inscribed angle. Diba? Ang inscribed angle ay may kaibahan sa central angle dahil ang central angle ay yung vertex ay nasa center. Dito ay wala sa center ng circle. So that is why it is an inscribed angle. Next is arc AB. So arc AB is intercepted by angle AGB. Diba? A, G, and B. Also, arc AB is also intercepted by arc AFB. Diba? It's also intercepted by arc AFB, angle AFB. Next is HA. By arc HA is intercepted by angle H, F, and A. Then next, angle DFG, D, F, and G, DFG intercepts arc DF. Oh, diba? DF ito, DF. So yung vertex ay yung G here. So it intercepts arc DF, which is a minor arc. Next is angle H, F, and G. So H, F, and G. So it intercepts arc HG. Diba ito? Arc HG intercepts. Now, what is the idea or the rule or theorem of arc and angle measure? So the measure of an inscribed angle is equal to 1/2 the measure of its intercepted arc. So again, the measure of an inscribed angle is equal to 1/2 the measure of its intercepted arc. Okay, so let us try to answer this following problem. So we have in circle C, measure angle ACD is equal to 100. So find measure angle AED, and C, measure of angle ABD. So first, let us determine the value of measure AD. So it is given that measure angle ACD is equal to 100 degrees. 100 degrees. So therefore, the arc AD, is intercepted by angle ACD, which is angle ACD here is a central angle. So therefore, they're just the same. So measure angle AD is also 100 degrees because angle ACD is a central angle. So that's it. Next, B, measure of angle AED. So measure angle A, E, and D. So ito. So angle AED is an inscribed angle and it intercepts arc AD. Diba? Then arc AD is already 100 degrees. Now, given from the previous idea that the measure of an inscribed angle is equal to 1/2 the measure of the intercepted arc, so therefore, measure angle AED is equal to 1/2 of measure arc AD. So 1/2, then the measure of arc AD is 100 degrees. So therefore, the measure angle of AED is equal to 50 degrees. Next, C, measure of angle ABD. So measure angle A, B, and D. Then measure angle ABD intercepts arc AD, which is 100 degrees. So if we try to use the idea in second example, so both angle ABD and angle AED intercepts arc AD, which is 100 degrees. So therefore, since they are just the same, they have the same or they have common intercepted arc. So therefore, measure angle ABD is just equal to 50 degrees. Diba? I reiterate because both both angle ABD and angle AED are inscribed angles to intercepted arc AD. Since angle AED measures 50 degrees, then angle ABD also measures 50 degrees.